We are starting with that forecast tonight. We are remaining weather alert, and that'll be until Friday. Look at these images. Our weather impact team is monitoring serious rain for the next couple of days, and they were on the air for hours on WCNC Plus, bringing you live weather conditions as the storms rolled through. In fact, Brad just got off of WCNC Plus to join us here on our linear show at 11. We even had a ground stoppage at Charlotte Douglas that we broke over on our streaming platform. On your left, you just saw the Steel Creek area, which got hard hit earlier today. On the right, a time lapse of that Dallas Tower camera as the dark clouds swept through. Now, this is Lincolnton. You can see the lightning and flooding in some places even, and this is all thanks to Nathaniel Clayton. So thank you so much. You can see the flooding issues and the parking there, as well as flashes of lightning as they streak through the sky. So thank you to everyone who sent in video and pictures to our newsroom earlier today. We're going to need that to keep up over the next 2 days as well. It helps us tell the complete story and give our weather impact team the full picture. If you can do so safely, always send us those clips, maybe some photos as well, through the WCNC Charlotte mobile app. Tap on that Near Me button, and you'll do that for us whenever you need to. So these storms, they have some serious impacts for many in our area. We've had reports of someone being struck by lightning in Iredell County. That was in Union Grove to the north of us. They are expected to recover from this, but Charlotte Douglas, they were on a ground stop just hours ago, as I said, and we checked the FAA website. That appears to be lifted now. This is when we broke that news on air over on WCNC Plus. Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich has been doing this all night to keep us informed on these storms as they roll through. We've really been on since this morning. So we know there's still some activity to get to. Brad, what's the latest now?
Yeah, the good news, most of the rain is beginning to wind down. It's still raining in many areas across the Unifor region up towards the Statesville area. This is the area where we do have a couple flood advisories and one flood warning for Lincolnton, where they did see some significant flooding near downtown. But the rain is beginning to let up in many areas. It's just going to persist for a while. So runoff is going to be an issue through tomorrow. In fact, these are areas we're going to have to watch tomorrow. While some areas did see flooding today, the problem will be round 2 tomorrow. If we see any storms, even isolated in these exact same spots, the ground is saturated, the creeks and streams are running high, you're going to see massive runoff. Now in the Charlotte area, no rain at all in Charlotte. In fact, the airport is just now seeing some of the first raindrops out there. The ground stop earlier was because lightning was within 5 miles of the tarmac. So we're starting to see some rain trying to move into the Charlotte area, but North Charlotte up towards the lake, heavy rain is back. Good soaking rain. This is the kind of rain many people needed. You just don't need it all at once. And in some cases, you see the flood advisories and flood warnings. This is an area particularly hit hard tonight around Lincolnton, back into northern parts of Cleveland County. All this moving northeast. And obviously, there's been a lot of flooding up in the Raleigh-Durham area, Greensboro, Burlington. Those are areas that were hit hard by Chantal on Sunday. A lot of roads closed up there, and people told to stay home. So tonight, the rain will taper off overnight. Things will kind of refire tomorrow during the day. We'll see a very similar setup by this time tomorrow. Coming up, we'll show you the latest timing and how things will begin to clear up as we go into Friday.
All right, Brad, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you. The WCNC app is the place to be for all things that you need to know on the weather forecast. We're there, of course, with latest updates and any watches and warnings that come across. Just download the WCNC app tonight. You can get that for free.